Hey everyone, Josh here from icyaero. Today we are going to be installing Glowbrace on the GR Corolla. This will require the removal of the front bumper. And if you have a stepped front mount intercooler, please skip to this timestamp in the video as your install differs from most OEM/aftermarket front mount intercoolers. To start, we will be unclipping this center air shroud piece to allow for an easier installation. Don't worry, we will be retaining this piece. Start by removing this clip and pushing in the tab. Repeat for the other side. The centerpiece should now be loose. Now we want to slide this plastic shroud past the point of these two bolts. This will allow us to access this bolt. Now remove the bolt. You're going to repeat this for the other side as well. Now it is time to install the brackets. The brackets you receive will differ slightly from the ones seen here. The brackets you receive will be facing upwards at this point, plus the brackets will be powder coated black. This bracket is used for the left side and this one for the right. Once you slide the bracket into place, it should look something like this. Bolt up the bracket and then repeat on the other side. Now we are going to slide back the side pieces and reclip the center shroud as such. To install into a stepped front mount intercooler setup is actually very easy. Find and remove these two bolts. Install this bracket on the left side and install this one on the right side. Next, we are going to install Glowbrace onto the brackets. Once bolted on, you will want to bend these lines upwards as such. This will be important during the installation process of the front bumper. Next is running the wires. You can choose to do this however you please. Simply follow the diagram as shown here. Find a grounding point to use for the ground. And then when connecting the power line, loosen the nut as seen here, and then slide the power line below this nut, then tighten. Before putting on the bumper, test and make sure the brace is functioning as it should. Once done, it is time to reinstall the bumper. Start by unclipping this top tab on the air duct. Repeat this on the other side. These will be reattached once the bumper is on. Now it is time to install the front bumper. You may notice it is quite a tight fit, so you may have to reach into the gap to hold the ducts inwards to slide past the Glowbrace. The ducts often return back to their resting position, but it is very easy to unclip/reclip when you're finished. If you have any issues whatsoever before, during, or after install, please reach out to us via email or text and we'll be happy to help. And as always, thank you so much for supporting our small business, and don't forget to tag us on social media at icyaero. Thanks guys.